and then you go to advanced settings over here, and here you have the private key. So this is where you need to load the key which you have downloaded earlier. I've loaded the default private key in this location. You can see that here I have given the default private key. It's not coming. Okay, yeah, there you go. And then click on OK. So this should enable you to connect to this EC2 system. So this IP address is different because this is called the internal IP address or private IP address. Now you can see the private IP address right next to it. So that's called private IPv4. You can see that 172.31, and that's what it says over here, 170.31.73.223. So that's what you see over here. So now we have connected to the AWS system. So that's the first task, and we have completed the first task. So I think in quite some time, you think you should get this updated, and $20 should be added to your account after that. So you can see in progress. So the status has changed just now. All right, then I'll see you on the next video. We will talk about the foundation model of the next item to get the next $20.